was playing a Dominican song. Is it because I'm Dominican?
No, bro, it's a glitch. It's cool, man. Just come on, yo. You got one, bro.
Yeah,
yo, come on.
That's racist.
Yo, forget about it.
Yo, that is weird. Hey,
Look who it is.
Yeah,
come on, bro.
Okay, what's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, you got my favorite.
Hey, that doorbell though. Why is it playing that music?
Yo,
is it because I'm white?
Because you're white. Of course not, bro. You racist?
I'm not. I'm not the racist one here.
Café para eso.
Yo, he's doing it again, man. This is racist. This thing is messed up.
They tripping, man. Sorry about that.
West side when we rock and we quick with game. You claim to be a player, but I